Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Lutfi Musniar dari kelas 12C ingin mempresentasikan hasil dari materi tensis. Jadi tensis itu ada 16. Langsung ke yang pertama, bentuknya itu ada positif, negatif, dan juga interrogatif. Yang pertama itu ada simple present. Yang positif itu ada subject plus verb one. Contohnya kayak she plays. Lanjut ke yang negatif. Negatif itu ada subject plus do or does plus not plus verb one. Contohnya she does not play. Lanjut ke yang interrogatif. Jadi yang di interrogatif nih rumusnya ada do or does plus subject plus verb one. Contohnya bisa does she plays. Lanjut ke yang nominalnya. Nominalnya itu ada yang positif, negatif, dan juga interrogatif. Jadi itu rumusnya ada yang positif subject plus or is or are plus adjective. Contohnya kayak she is happy. Lanjut ke yang nominal negatif. Ini tuh ada subject plus or is or are plus not plus adjective. Contohnya bisa jadi is not happy. Lanjut ke yang interrogatif. Jadi rumusnya tuh ada is or is or are plus subject plus adjective. Contohnya is she happy. Nah, selanjutnya yang kedua tuh ada present continuous. Jadi bentuknya tuh ada verbal aja, nggak pakai nominal. Jadi verbal yang positif itu ada subject plus or is or are plus verb ing. Nah, contohnya bisa she is playing. Yang kedua, yang negatifnya ada subject plus or is or are plus not plus verb ing. Jadi contohnya itu bisa jadi she is not playing. Lanjut ke yang interrogatif. Rumusnya itu ada or is or are plus subject plus verb ing. Contohnya bisa is she playing. Selanjutnya ke yang tiga, ini ada present perfect. Bentuknya ada verbal positif. Rumusnya subject plus have or has plus verb 3. Contohnya bisa she is played. Nah, lanjut ya, yang kalau yang negatif ada subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3. Bisa contohnya tuh she has not played. Nah, selanjutnya yang interrogatif itu rumusnya ada have, has plus have or has plus subject plus verb 3. Contohnya has she played. Lanjutnya yang nominal yang plus subject, rumusnya subject plus have or has plus been plus adjective. Contohnya she has been happy. Selanjutnya yang negatif subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus adjective. Contohnya she has not been happy. Yang interrogatif ada have or has plus subject plus been plus adjective. Contohnya has she been happy. Selanjutnya yang keempat ada present perfect continuous. Jadi bentuknya ada 3, nggak pakai nominal, yang verbal aja. Jadi positifnya tuh ada rumusnya subject plus have or has plus been plus verbing. Contohnya tuh bisa she has been playing. Jadi yang selanjutnya yang negatif, rumusnya ada subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus verbing. Contohnya she has not been playing. Ada lagi yang interrogatif, rumusnya have or has plus subject plus been plus verbing. Contohnya has she been playing. Selanjutnya yang kelima ada simple past. Ini pakai nominal, jadi ada verbal dan nominal. Yang positifnya verbal tuh ada rumusnya subject plus verb to. Contohnya she played. Nah, yang kedua tuh lanjut ke yang negatif, ada rumusnya subject plus did plus not plus verb one. Contohnya she did not play. Yang interrogatif, rumusnya ada did plus subject plus verb one. Contohnya did she play. Nah, selanjutnya yang ke nominal yang positif, rumusnya ada subject plus was plus subject plus was or were plus adjective. Contohnya she was happy. Lanjut yang negatif itu ada rumusnya subject plus was or were plus not plus adjective. Contohnya ada she was not happy. Terus lanjutnya ke nominal yang interrogatif. Rumusnya itu ada was or were plus subject plus adjective. Contohnya was he happy. Selanjutnya yang keenam ada past continuous. Jadi bentuknya itu ada positif, yang verbal aja nggak pakai nominal. Jadi rumusnya ada yang positif subject plus was or were plus verbing. Jadi contohnya itu bisa she was playing. Yang bentuk verbal negatif, rumusnya subject plus were, subject plus was or were plus not plus verbing. Contohnya bisa she was not playing. Lanjut ke yang interrogatif, rumusnya was or were plus subject plus verbing. Contohnya bisa was she playing. Selanjutnya kita yang ketujuh ada past perfect. Jadi itu bentuknya ada yang verbal dan juga nominal. Yang positifnya rumusnya subject plus had plus verb free. Contohnya she had played. Yang negatif subject plus had plus not plus verb free. Contohnya she had not played. Yang interrogatif, rumusnya ada had plus subject plus verb free. Contohnya had she played. Yang nominal positif, rumusnya ada subject plus had plus been plus adjective. Contohnya she had been happy. Yang negatif ada subject plus had plus not plus been plus adjective. Contohnya she had not been happy. Yang interrogatif, rumusnya ada had plus subject plus been plus adjective. Contohnya had she been happy. Nah, selanjutnya yang ke-8 ada past perfect continuous. Jadi bentuknya tuh verbal aja, nggak ada nominalnya. Di sini tuh rumus yang positifnya ada subject plus had plus been plus verbing. Contohnya she had been playing. Yang negatif ada subject plus had plus not plus been plus verbing. Contohnya she had not been playing. Yang interrogatif, rumusnya ada had plus subject plus been plus verbing. Contohnya had she been playing. Yang ke-9 ada simple future. Itu bentuknya dia ada yang verbal dan juga nominal. Jadi yang positifnya dari verbal tuh rumusnya ada subject plus will plus verb one. Contohnya she will play. Yang negatif ada subject plus will plus not plus verb one. Contohnya she will not play. Yang interrogatif ada will plus subject plus verb one. Contohnya will she play. Yang nominal plus ada subject plus will plus be plus adjective. Contohnya she will be happy. Yang negatif ada subject plus will plus not plus be plus adjective. Contohnya she will not be happy. Yang interrogatif ada will plus subject plus be plus adjective. Contohnya will she be happy. Yang ke-10 ada simple future. Jadi tuh dia ada verbal dan juga nominal. Rumus dari verbal yang positif tuh subject plus am or is or are plus going to plus verb 1. Contohnya she is going to play. Yang negatifnya subject plus am or is or are plus not plus going plus going to plus verb 1. Contohnya she is not going to play. Yang interrogatif am or is or are plus subject plus going to plus verb 1. Contohnya is he going to play. Yang nominal plus itu ada subject plus I'm or is or are plus going to plus be plus adjective. Contohnya she is going to be happy. Yang negatif itu ada subject plus am or is or are plus not plus going to plus be plus adjective. Contohnya she is not going to be happy. Yang interrogatif ada am or is or are plus subject plus going to plus be plus adjective. Jadi tuh contohnya ada kayak is he going to be happy. Nah selanjutnya yang ke-11 nih ada future continuous. Dia cuma 3 aja, kayak tadi cuman verbal, nggak ada nominalnya. Jadi yang bentuk yang positifnya itu ada rumusnya subject plus will plus be plus verbing. Contohnya kayak she will be playing. Terus yang negatifnya ada subject plus will plus not plus be plus verbing. Jadi itu contohnya ada she will not be playing. Yang interrogatif ada will, ada will plus subject plus be plus verbing. Contohnya will she be playing. Selanjutnya yang 12 itu ada future perfect. Ini ada verbal dan juga nominal. Contohnya yang verbal positif ada subject plus will plus have plus verb 3. Contohnya she will have played. Yang negatif itu ada subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb 3. Contohnya she will not have played. Yang interrogatif tuh rumusnya ada will plus subject plus have plus verb 3. Contohnya will she have played. Nominal yang positif ini rumusnya ada subject plus will plus have plus been plus adjective. Contohnya kayak she will have been happy. Nominal yang negatif ada subject plus will plus have plus been plus adjective. Contohnya she will have been happy. Yang interrogatif ada will plus subject plus have plus been plus adjective. Contohnya will she have been happy. Yang ke-13 ada future perfect continuous. Bentuknya tuh verbal aja, nggak pakai nominal. Jadi rumusnya yang positif subject plus will plus have plus been plus verbing. Contohnya she will have been playing. Yang negatif subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verbing. Contohnya she will not have been playing. Interrogatif ada will plus subject plus have plus been plus verbing. Contohnya will she have been playing. Selanjutnya yang ke-14 ada future atau future or would. Jadi tuh dia bentuknya verbal dan juga nominal. Verbal yang positif tuh ada rumusnya subject plus would plus verb 1. Contohnya she would play. Jadi yang negatif tuh ada subject plus would plus not plus verb 1. Contoh she would not play. Yang interrogatif rumusnya would plus subject plus verb 1. Contohnya would she play. Yang nominal positif ini rumusnya ada subject plus would plus be plus adjective. Contohnya she would be happy. Yang negatif subject plus would plus not plus be plus adjective. Contohnya she would not be happy. Yang interrogatif ada would plus subject plus be plus adjective. Contohnya would she be happy. Yang ke-15 ada past future continuous. Ini cuma 3 aja ya, verbal aja. Positifnya tuh ada subject plus would plus be plus verbing. Terus contohnya she would be playing. Nah, yang verbal negatif ini ada subject plus would plus not plus be plus verbing. Contohnya she would not be playing. Yang interrogatifnya ada would plus subject plus be plus verbing. Contohnya would she be playing. Nah, yang ke-16 nih ada 2, verbal dan juga nominal. Namanya ada past future perfect. Bentuknya yang positif tuh ada subject plus would plus have plus be plus verb 3. Contohnya she would have played. Yang negatif ada subject plus would plus not plus have plus verb 3. Contohnya she would not have played. Yang interrogatif ada rumusnya would plus subject plus have plus verb 3. Contohnya would she have played. Yang nominal positif rumusnya ada subject plus would plus have plus been plus adjective. Contohnya she would have been happy. Yang negatif rumusnya ada subject plus would plus not plus have plus been plus adjective. Contohnya she would not have been happy. Yang nominal, yang interrogatif itu rumusnya ada would plus subject plus have plus been plus adjective. Contohnya would she have been happy. Sekian itu aja yang bisa saya sampaikan dari presentasi saya. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf.